I do really appreciate and respect how yoga comes back from the Vedic philosophy and Sanatana Dharma, but because the most visible aspect of yoga is the asana and pranayamas practice. And once people start experiencing the asanas and the pranayams, it takes them gradually to the high end. It is really a wellness sport because it has a holistic approach. Mind, body and soul, and it controls your emotions physically, but then it reflects on every other dimension or kosha. We always get support to hold the International Yoga Day and many other yoga activities as well by the leadership because it helps the health and well-being. The Saudi Yoga Committee under the Saudi Arabian Olympic and Paralympic committee under the Ministry of Sports, we created a system and a regulations and a governance system for yoga that can be set as a model to be able to promote yoga to all age categories or society categories and help people just take yoga the right way as a lifestyle.